CBS 17 News, tracking coronavirus.
Amid the latest surge in cases, North Carolina is going to try paying people even more to get vaccinated. Good evening, I'm Angela Taylor.
And I'm Rod Carter. Thanks so much for joining us. Governor Cooper is increasing the incentive program from $25 to $100, something President Biden urged leaders to do. But the question is that going to work? Our Capitol reporter Michael Hyland asked the governor about that today. And Michael, he's not issuing any new mandates or restrictions, though, right?
Right. He's urging people to come and get the vaccine and to wear masks, but he's not requiring that. But as we see the number of people in the hospital with COVID-19 going up, public health officials are pleading with people to act. COVID-19 cases are rising as local leaders face decisions on whether to require masks again.
Don't want to mask up in school? Get prepared to see schools locked down and closed, classrooms closed, people getting tested, contact tracing. So it just pulls a thread.
Cumberland County is one of the places requiring masks again in county buildings and urging them in other public indoor settings. How long do you anticipate recommending everybody wear a mask?
That recommendation can't change unless we get more people vaccinated. So my crystal ball says it depends on what the public does at this moment.
Governor Roy Cooper said on Wednesday the state will start paying people $100 to get vaccinated. The incentive will remain at $25 for people driving someone to get the vaccine. Cooper is urging people to wear masks and get vaccinated, but not mandating that. Do you think urging good choices is going to be enough to turn this around?
I think employers are going to need to step up to make sure that their employees are vaccinated.
The number of people in the hospital with COVID-19 in North Carolina climbed Tuesday to 1,465 people, more than doubling in 2 weeks. Do you view going backwards and reinstating any kind of requirements or restrictions being a last resort?
Well, all options are on the table with us when it comes to the health and safety of North Carolinians, but we have to zero in on the vaccinations, and that's where we're putting all of our efforts.
The Kaiser Family Foundation recently looked at data on people in the hospital with COVID-19 and found more than 95% of them are not fully vaccinated. This $100 incentive from the state is going to run through the end of the month, and the state can use federal funding to pay for it, including from the American Rescue Plan. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.